y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Yash checking back in with a new video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Today, as y'all can see from that title, we got some DIY lashes from YouLuck. Y'all, these lashes are tea, okay? This company sent me these lashes and I just love them. Like, I ain't even taken them out the package yet and they're already eating. Like, I already know these from the eat out. All the links and everything to these lashes will be in my description box below. I have a code for you guys. I'm gonna put it on the screen just in case y'all wanna go get y'all some. Y'all get a little 10% off, okay? Yeah, go ahead, check them out. They got other styles as well. And yeah, y'all, this kit was set up nicely. It came with everything that you need to achieve the look. It came with bond and seal, a lash remover, and of course some tweezers. The style that I chose was 5D Enchantress. I thought that they were really cute and fluffy, and it gave lash extensions. It gave what it was supposed to, of course. And yeah, they were literally tea. Clock it. The clusters went from 10 to 18. Of course, I'm going to be using a longer length because I like dramatic lashes. So yeah, I'm going to go in with the bond glue right now. Also, by the way, y'all, this is my first time trying lash clusters ever. I am a strip girly, like, I swear by them. But after me trying these, I love me some clusters. Like, I'm never going back to strips, literally. I wake up cute, they last, they're fast, and they just give natural, period. So I'm starting off with 3 18s, and then I did 3 16s, and then I did 1 14.
Backstroke overseas, I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely.
So this is them all done. This is the first layer. You can leave them like this, very cute, very classy. But I'm gonna go in with the second layer because I like my lashes to be more full, dramatic, and fluffy. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm just going in with the bonding glue under the lash, of course, and I'm applying another 18 cluster. And then I'm just gonna keep stacking them the same way that I did them the first time. And it did get a little stuck, y'all, to the tweezers, but other than that, I didn't really have any issues. The lashes were really pretty and it was easy to do. Y'all gotta just trust the process. So I'm gonna let the tunes play and I'll be back when I got something else to say.
So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function.
Now I'm gonna apply the seal so I can make sure the lashes are stuck in place and ain't going nowhere. Overall, I rate these a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend. I ended up doing the other lash off camera, and yeah, y'all, let's get into the transition. In 3, 2, 1. Period, y'all. I am in love. These are eating. Clock it. Yeah. Clock it. I'm irritating. But make sure y'all go grab y'all some. Be sure to use my 10% discount code. I will have everything linked in the description box below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more videos.